When you are taking a test like the SAT, it is important to tackle the easy problems with great alacrity and dispatch them to the answer sheet. It takes something of a special skill to identify the problems that fit into this mold. Here are 3 examples. Problem number 1, 27, 9, 3, and so on. The first term of the sequence above is 27, and each term after the first is equal to 1/3 of the preceding term. The word preceding means what comes before. What is the 6th term of the sequence? You notice that all the numbers are getting smaller since the operation is division. The 4th term will be 3 divided by 3, that is 1. The 5th term is 1 divided by 3, that is a fraction 1/3. And the 6th term will be 1/3 divided by 3, a smaller fraction, that'll be 1/9. And there is the answer. Problem number 2. 3 plus 1 over x equals 9. What does x to the power of minus 2 equal? Now, x to the power of minus 2 is 1 over x squared, and 1 over x squared is 1 over x times 1 over x. From the given equation, subtracting 3 from each side, 1 over x is 6. So 1 over x times 1 over x is 6 times 6, or 36, and there is the answer. On the face of it, this looks like a difficult problem, but it really is not. Take a look at it. If x is an integer such that x is greater than 2, less than 8, and a triangle has sides of length 2, 7, and x, how many possible values are there for x? Now, x is an integer, and it has to satisfy x greater than 2, less than 8, so the only possible values for x that are admissible are 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, we know the property of the triangle that says that in any triangle, the sum of any 2 sides is greater than the 3rd side. So x cannot be 2 because 2 plus 2 is less than 7. It cannot be 3 because 2 plus 3 is less than 7. It cannot be 4 because 2 plus 4 is less than 7. And it cannot be 5 because 2 plus 5 equals 7. So the only possible answers are 6 and 7. So there are only 2 values for x. So, if you took all the words away from this presentation that didn't have to do with solving the problems themselves, I am sure we could have tackled them in less than a minute.